Welcome to our video on how to make money with Google Trends. Google Trends is a powerful tool that can help you identify the latest trends and topics that people are searching for. By leveraging this tool, you can create content that is more likely to be seen and shared, and in turn, generate more traffic and revenue for your website or business. In this video, we will provide a step-by-step guide on how you can use Google Trends to make money, including tips and tricks to help you get started. Google Trends is a tool that tracks the popularity of search queries on Google. It can help you identify the latest trends, as well as the most popular search terms related to a particular topic. By using Google Trends, you can get a better understanding of what people are searching for, and use this information to create content that is more likely to be seen and shared. Step 1. Identify popular trends. The first step in making money with Google Trends is to identify popular trends that are relevant to your website or business. To do this, go to the Google Trends website and enter a search term related to your niche. You will then see a graph that shows the popularity of that search term over time, as well as related topics and queries that are currently trending. Take note of these trends and use them to create content that is relevant and up-to-date. Step 2. Create content. Once you have identified popular trends, the next step is to create content that is relevant and engaging. This could be in the form of blog posts, videos, social media posts, or any other type of content that is appropriate for your niche. Use the keywords and topics identified in Step 1 to create content that is optimized for search engines and is more likely to be seen by your target audience. Step 3. Promote your content. Creating great content is just the first step in making money with Google Trends. You also need to promote your content to ensure that it reaches as many people as possible. Share your content on social media, email newsletters, and other relevant channels to increase its visibility and drive more traffic to your website. Step 4. Monetize your content. Once you have created and promoted your content, the final step is to monetize it. There are many ways to monetize your content, such as through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products or services. Choose a monetization strategy that is relevant to your niche and audience, and that aligns with your overall business goals. Thank you for watching our video on how to make money with Google Trends. By using this powerful tool to identify popular trends and create engaging content, you can drive more traffic and revenue to your website or business. Remember to stay up to date on the latest trends and continue to optimize your content for search engines and your target audience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.